Hi everyone, here's how to do today's warm-up problem. If you noticed with this one here, you have to find a couple of different missing sides. So we'll start with the easiest side that we know, and I'm going to show you this one right here. So if you look at this, we know that this is 2 and this is 4 and this is the hypotenuse, correct, right here. So I'm going to call this the A side, the B side, and the C side. And we know 2 squared is equal to 4. 4 squared is equal to 16. So A squared is 4, B squared is 16, and that's going to give us C squared right here. And so 4 plus 16 is 20, and the 20 squared will give us our C side, and that is equal to, so C is equal to about 4.5. So at least we now know this side right here. Then what you do is you're looking at this next set of triangles, and there's a couple of ways to look at this, and I'll show you both ways. So the first way is to see that there's a right triangle right here. Do you guys see that? Take a moment. If you need to pause this, go ahead and pause that. Okay. Now, if I know that, if this is 2 and this whole thing is 12, I can actually kind of figure out what my dimensions are for the rest of this. So this would be a length of 10, and because this is 4, this side is 4 right here. So to get C, all I would do is 10 squared plus 4 squared, so 10 squared is 100, 4 squared is 16, is equal to C squared. So then you have 116 squared is equal to C, and that actually equals about 10.77, about 10.8 is equal to the C length. So again, that's one way to do that problem. The other way to look at this is, and I saw some students do this, they wanted to look at this triangle right here. And what they did is they drew a right triangle here, and they knew that if this is 2, that this is 2, and so this new length would be 10, and if this is 4, this is 4, and they did the same thing as I did before. So 10 squared plus 4 squared is equal to 116 to find C. Now, this second 3D figure has a pyramid, and you needed to find the missing edges. And one of the things you have to notice is that there is a right triangle inside of this pyramid. And so the key is to figure out where the right triangle is. Now, if you look at it from your perspective, it does not look exactly like a right triangle, but it is. And if you wanted to, you can actually rewrite it with the dimensions like this. So then this is the figure. This is A, and then this is the middle of the triangle here, where the right triangle is, and that's your D point. And so this is 4, and this is 3, and so the edge, which is right here, that's your C side. So then you'd have 4 squared plus 3 squared is equal to your C squared, which is your edge. So 16 plus 9 is equal to C squared. 16 plus 9 is 25 is equal to C. So the square root of 25 is equal to C, and so that length is 5.